Welcome back, viewers. In our last video, we began our journey into Python. In this video, I'm going to teach you about lists in Python. Now, so we have our shell here, and we are going to type in my list is equal to open close brackets 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, what this does is assign each of these values in a single variable. A list is like a container for all of these variables. So now what we're going to do is type in my list open close brackets 0. Now what this is going to do is it's going to look through this list and find this position. The position starts from 0. This has 5 positions and it goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, and now if you press enter, it's going to return 0 because this is at the 0th position. So now type in my list is equal to Ben, Tom, and Harry. Now what this did is we just created a new list called my list, replacing this one, and assign all of these strings inside this list. So now type in my list 0 and it returned Ben because Ben is at the 0th position of this list. And now type in my list 1, Tom, and my list 2, Harry. Now what we are going to do is we can add items to this list, and I'll show you how. Type in my list dot append and Peter. Now what this did is it to this list it appended or add this string Peter. So now if you type in my list, it's going to return Ben, Tom, Harry, and Peter. Now just like we can add strings or values to an array, we should be able to remove them from a list as well. So I'm going to type my list dot remove Peter, and if we type in my list, now we are going to see this list. Peter is not there anymore. So, and now type in for I in my list print I, and it printed all of the names in this list in 3 separate lines. So this is called a for loop, and I will teach you more about it when I do my lesson on loops. So what this does is it checks my list for all of the values and prints them in 3 separate lines. So that is it for this video. Please leave a like, and if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.